Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Natwest Credit Card service on a computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Natwest Credit Card online, you'll need to first log into the online banking for Natwest. First, open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in www.natwest.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Natwest Bank, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click the login link in order to end up in the login area. To log into your online banking service, you'll need to choose either your customer number or your card number by selecting one of the options. If you chose customer number, then you'll need to type in your date of birth followed by your unique identification number in the text box. If you've forgotten your login detail, click on Forgotten Your Login Details link and follow the instructions to look for it. If you've chosen card number, you'll need to enter the 16-digit card number at the front of your debit or credit card in the text box. Once you do that, if you'd like the system to remember your credential, check this Remember Me box beneath. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or shared computer. Finally, after you are done, click the Continue button. On the next page, follow the on-screen prompts till the end, and once you log into your Natwest online banking account, select the credit card option. That way you'll be able to get access to your credit card for Natwest online banking. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.